Make a great choice today with the 2016 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.